Salam everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Lina Atiq. I am an artist and a self-taught Arabic calligrapher, passionate about creating art inspired by my faith. I love to combine Islamic art with Arabic calligraphy, and in today's artwork, I'll be writing Ayat-Ul-Kursi while incorporating beautiful patterns inspired by the Taj Mahal. I'm excited to take you all through my journey of creating this piece. I hope you enjoy watching my process as much as I enjoyed creating it. So let's get started. I would like to share the materials I'll be using for this artwork. I'll be painting on a canvas, and to start, I am applying a gesso primer. The purpose of gesso is to create a smooth surface for the paint so the colors look better and stick well. Once the gesso is dry, I mix some primary colors to create a nice light brown shade for the background. I'll be using acrylic paint, which is perfect for this project because it dries quickly and allows for easy layering. While I paint this piece, I want to talk a bit about what it means and why I chose Ayat-Ul-Kursi. This verse from the Quran is really special to me because it speaks about how great and powerful Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is, reminding us that He is always there to protect us. Reciting Ayat-Ul-Kursi brings peace and blessings into our lives. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, taught that reciting it at night ensures protection until morning. I'd like to read the translation of this beautiful verse. Allah, there is no deity except Him, the ever-living, the sustainer of existence. Neither drowsiness overtakes Him nor sleep. To Him belongs whatever is in the heavens and whatever is on the earth. Who is it that can intercede with Him except by His permission? He knows what is before them and what will be after them, and they encompass not a thing of His knowledge except for what He wills. His kursi extends over the heavens and the earth, and their preservation tires Him not, and He is the Most High, the Most Great. I am also combining Ayat-Ul-Kursi with patterns inspired by the Taj Mahal. The Taj Mahal is not just a beautiful building, it stands for love and devotion. By putting these two together, I want to create something that shows both the beauty of faith and the amazing details of Islamic art. As I work on this, I hope to share a feeling of calm and respect. This artwork is meant to remind us of the beauty of faith and the importance of asking Allah for guidance and protection every day. I really hope that when you see this piece, it brings you the same peace and inspiration I felt while creating it. Now I'm going to add some gold leaf to my artwork. First, I'm using a leafing adhesive. This special glue helps the gold leaf stick well to the surface. I start by applying the adhesive to the areas where I want the gold leaf to go. After applying the adhesive, I need to let it dry for a little bit until it becomes tacky. This is the best time to add the gold leaf because it will stick perfectly. Now that the adhesive is tacky, I carefully place the gold leaf on top. I love how it instantly transforms the piece and catches the light. Once the gold leaf is on, I'll gently brush off any extra bits with a soft brush. Thank you so much for joining me on this journey of creating art. I hope you enjoyed watching this as much as I enjoyed making it. Take care, and I can't wait to see you in the next video.